In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off sensitive content on Facebook. This is essential for maintaining mental well-being, avoiding triggers and ensuring a safer experience for all users, especially children. To do this, simply head to your Facebook. Onto the menus page, tap onto the settings icon to access your Facebook settings. You will want to scroll down into this section of preferences. Select onto this very first option of content preferences. You will then head to manage defaults. Onto sensitive content, tap right here and mark on show less. Here's a list of content type you will see less. Click on OK to save changes. By limiting such content, users create a more positive, focused and comfortable online environment, fostering a healthier relationship with social media. Well, that's how easy it is to turn off Facebook sensitive content. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.